Suction. What? Suction accumulator. Suction accumulator. You have to say suction accumulator, not say accumulator. Because sometimes we put accumulator in high pressure size. That's why you have to be difference between you make separate information between high and low. This one low pressure accumulator or suction accumulator. What's function?
Coming liquid is change
All to liquids.
Huh?
coming liquid, sir, is change the vapors.
Liquid from where?
From vapor to liquid.
Unvaporized liquid.
Huh?
Unvaporized liquid.
Huh?
Store the unvaporized liquid.
Vapor to liquid.
Changing.
Huh?
Vapor to liquid.
No, sir. That one coming evaporator vapor including liquid. That coming down liquid, then vapor is sucking the compressor.
What's the meaning of that? You say correct information. Okay? But give me good academic information. Separate liquid and vapor. Separate liquid from vapor. Here we separate oil from vapor, but here we separate liquid from vapor. But why come liquid? Why?
It's coming low.
Should be here after expansion, after evaporator should be what? Vapor, right? Should be vapor, right?
Yes.
Right. Why come liquid?
But it's coming
Not 100%.
low pressure.
Huh?
Not 100%.
Not 100%. Why?
It's coming heat their room.
Huh?
Take heat from room, sir.
Okay. This one function of evaporator. I ask why come liquid? Why not 100%? Why?
Because of distance of pipe.
Huh?
Distance of pipe.
No. Huh? Huh? يعني why come liquid? Sometime room temperature cold and all liquid, spray liquid inside the evaporator, not all change to vapor. Not all change to vapor. Okay? Other reason. Some indoor unit filter dirty. No 100% transfer between air and spray liquid. Okay? يعني not 100% change from spray liquid to vapor. It means what? Mix between spray liquid and vapor. Vapor or gas? Huh? Vapor or gas? Huh? Huh? لا gas. Gas. طب what's the difference between vapor and gas? I said this one before.
ده صار قانون من
Vapor of
غاز.
moisture.
إذا وقت المكان يخصص مشان من هو كبير هو يجي تشينجينج مشان
ايه again تاني
إكاي صار مشان لا من جيس من غاز. أوكي. إذا وقت خصل مكان هجوم يعني كبير مكان يخصل من صغير خصل من هناك هو يجي condensing هو يصير start.
لا I ask what's the difference between vapor and gas. Vapor and gas. Gas have low temperature and low pressure. But vapor also gas but high pressure and high temperature. Here what? Vapor or gas? Here gas. Gas. Vapor means high pressure and high temperature. But here what? Still gas. Still gas. Still gas. Suction accumulator separate gas and liquid. Okay, how? The pipe coming mix. We said mix, okay? We know why mix. Sometimes filter dirty, coil dirty, room temperature less. Okay? Many reasons. Okay? يعني means what? All spray liquid inside the evaporator not change to gas. Not change to gas. Coming here, gas, mix. Okay? Inlet up. Outlet also up. Also up. طيب, why outlet up? Inlet down or up, no problem. It's not important. Important what? Outlet. Outlet. If Freon reach to suction accumulator, have liquid, liquid cannot go up. Okay? Only stay down. What coming up? Only vapor. Only gas. Gas. Very good. Okay? Only?
Yes.
Only gas. Only gas. يبقى here I make sure 100%. I make sure 100% gas reach to no liquid.
Yes.
Okay now? يبقى sure 100% no liquid reach to compressor. No liquid. Okay? Compressor take gas from suction accumulator and press gas, increase temperature and pressure. It change from gas to vapor. Change from gas to vapor. Okay? طيب